Hi, my name is Pascal Chollet. I am based in Paris and I am now the go-to-market director for strategic initiatives around connected and autonomous vehicles for French and Belgian market. I am part of manufacturing ISU in automotive industry. I started my career with a mechanical engineer degree and I had different experience at the beginning of my career. In fact, as consultant in France, Germany, US. I used to work for ESA and NASA in US and Houston as designer and project manager. Then I embarked in a 20 years career with Renault in automotive industry. And my key anchored area of development was really on the transformation projects. I have always been very keen on working on transformation. They could be human, technical or organizational ones. When I have been contacted by TCS 3 years ago to join the company, I was in a period of my life where I was considering to see how I could bring my transformation and automotive experience to embrace new challenges. Still with the belief that technology and a strong human mobilization can contribute to drive this world in a more sustainable zero-emission model, in fact, which is core in our automotive industry. And I can say that I have been completely seduced by the TCS core values and the perspective to join. Since I have joined TCS, has been for me an opportunity to learn and to meet wonderful people, to embrace our worldwide community, and this really drives my motivation on a daily basis. My new role is to position in our local markets our solutions and services for our customers in automotive industry, with mainly focus on connected and autonomous vehicle services. The world is changing and this industry in particular is changing quite heavily in fact. So this role, I would say, combines both my passion for transformation as well as my experience in automotive industry. I was in fact already engaged into some very interesting position with our customers on the local market. I had the chance some months back to be nominated for being part of the first sessions of the Project Synthesis program. This program was driven with the perspective to train TCS leaders with diversity of the mind and inclusion values that are really necessary to drive our growth and transformation of TCS, inside TCS and also as a support of our customers. Once the project synthesis was completed and the lead team invited us to consider differently next steps of our career, I found on lead site this job description that was fitting perfectly with my career expectations. This lead program is a strong arm for TCS to bring talents that cannot be easily detected by traditional HR circuits, in particular to catch important corporate responsibilities. When you are in fact issued from local countries and not having a strong footprint into TCS and Indian cultures, as myself in fact, it was really for me an opportunity to grow into our organization. To be part of TCS is really for me a great opportunity to embrace some complete different ecosystems regarding technology footprints. This kind of approach that TCS is bringing with having the perspective to embrace different experts from different cultures and different environments. What has really impressed me from the day one was that we had this opportunity to embrace the worldwide community of TCS. I have been able to connect with some mentors in India or in US that helped me to grow in our TCS organization. TCS is really full of experience, full of people, and what is really also very interesting into TCS is that everybody is really motivated to help each other. When being young engineer, as a design engineer, I had this wonderful opportunity to work in the space area and to work for the crew rescue vehicle of the International Space Station. It was a project that was both dealing with European countries and US countries, and I had the opportunity to start the project in Germany for ESA and to close it for NASA in US. For me, it was one of the best wonderful experiences of my life, being designer on one component that would go in the space. When you have done and you have built one piece and part that is now in the space, then you can consider that your one part of your career has been done. And that's really what embraced me also by joining TCS today. I would say that being part of this ecosystem for transforming the automotive industry to go to zero emission target with EV vehicles, with connected services, autonomous, is really what motivates me, because I got the perspective that we are going to do to change the world to go in a better position.